my name is Melanie. I had the all-in-4 with Dr. Nahlah. Well, I had years of wanting and knowing that I needed to get work done. I spent years feeling embarrassed, insecure, not smiling, and wanting to trust a dentist, but not knowing who is going to be that person that I'm going to give this over to because I've got a lot to give over to them. And I have anxiety when it comes to dentists. It's not my favorite place to be or go. So if I don't have to go, I'm not going to want to go. And so I know my procrastination was probably part of it, but I still felt like it was not me getting what I wanted in terms of patient care. And so I went to various people after I said, okay, I've got to do something. It's coming down to the wire. I can't really smile and be as confident. I'm a teacher, so I have to talk. As you know, schools were virtual, and every day, like clockwork, after Zoom was over for my morning class, Great Day Washington would come on. And so I saw a couple of segments where they featured Dr. Nahlah. But what caught my attention was they featured it was twice I saw like two patients, their testimony or what they were saying caught my attention. But more importantly, it was like their smile. Like you wouldn't have been able to tell that they had had any work. Like it genuinely looked natural. They looked happy. They spoke his praises. And I was like, okay, yeah, is this an infomercial? But it didn't read like an infomercial. So I made the call. I came. But it was when I came here that changed everything for me because the office, the staff, like everyone was they seemed knowledgeable. They were very clear about what the process was, what the cost was. Everything was so transparent that it was either yes or no. And that's really where I wanted to be, to be able to make a decision and know that I was making the best decision for what I expected the outcome to be.
For Melanie, she came to our practice. She was very frustrated about her smile. She has a bridge in her front teeth that wasn't happy about the looking. There was a lot of resorption in her gum. We were able to design the smile, and she came the day of the procedure, have her upper teeth extracted, and we placed implants and give her a fixed bridge on top of the implants in the same day.
This was everything that was holding me back in terms of what I didn't feel really demonstrated how I felt on certain days and how I wanted to express myself. And knowing that that is behind me, that smile is gone and I have a new smile, like that's amazing. It ended up being one of those things that looking back, it was the best decision that I think that I made because he is the best dentist that I've had.